Hello and welcome to Dentalkart YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss the Waldent Ultrasonic Cleaner 5 Ltr Stainless Steel. Let us first look at what's included in the package. An instruction manual, the ultrasonic cleaner unit, its lid, 2 types of baskets, a water outlet tube, and a power cord. Now, the main part of the ultrasonic cleaner are power button and the start-stop button, heating switch, and timer switch. The tank capacity is 5 liters. During use, ensure all instruments are fully immersed in water. The unit features a fully digital timer and temperature control for easy operation. The 2 baskets and lid help keep instruments organized inside the unit. We'll quickly assemble the Waldent Ultrasonic Cleaner 5 Ltr Stainless Steel before the how to use section. First, connect the power cord, then attach the water outlet tube. Check the control valve. It is marked Stop S, Open O and Stop S. Now let's see the working of the Waldent Stainless Steel Ultrasonic Cleaner. After assembly, fill the tank with water. Add a cleaning solution at a 1:10 ratio. 1 part solution to 10 parts of water, or as per the recommended ratio of the cleaning solution that you're using. Arrange the instruments in the basket of your choice. Switch the power on, then set the timer. Set the heating temperature. The recommended settings are 40 to 45 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 10 minutes with the cleaning solution. Let the cycle run. When it finishes, allow the instruments to sit or cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove them from the tank. You'll notice thorough and effective cleaning. For small instruments, use a smaller basket and follow the same settings and procedures. Once the cleaning is complete, open the water outlet valve to drain the used water. And that's the cleaning process done. We hope this video helps you understand the working of the Waldent Ultrasonic Cleaner 5 Ltr Stainless Steel. For more such videos, please like, follow and subscribe to our channel to gain the right knowledge. Thank you.